6 recipes for easy and yummy breakfast. Here are 6 quick and delicious breakfast recipes that busy moms can easily prepare in a short amount of time. These recipes are nutritious and kid-approved, making mornings smoother and more enjoyable. Number 1, bread and egg pancakes. Ingredients: any bread, 3 eggs, salt, diced ham, scallions, black sesame seeds. Instructions: 1. Cut bread into small cubes. 2. Whisk 3 eggs in a bowl, adding a pinch of salt. 3. Heat oil in a pan and sauté the bread cubes over low heat until golden brown. 4. Add diced ham and pour scallions into the egg mixture. Number 2. Egg-wrapped sandwiches. 1. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. 2. Dip slices of bread in the egg mixture, coating evenly. 3. Heat oil in a pan and fry the bread on low heat until the egg is set. 4. Quickly flip to cook the other side. 5. Assemble the sandwich with lettuce, ham slices, and ketchup. Fold and serve. Number 3, crispy potato cakes. Ingredients: potatoes, salt, 5 spice powder, scallions, barbecue seasoning, optional. Instructions: 1. Shred potatoes and season with salt, 5 spice powder, chow curry tea ease, and scallions. Do not wash the potato slices. 2. Press the mixture flat in a pan, over medium-low heat until one side is golden. 3. Flip and cook until both sides are crispy. Sprinkle with barbecue seasoning before serving. 4. Milk and vegetable egg patties. Ingredients: 3 eggs, broccoli chopped, carrots grated, scallions chopped, seasoned pancake flour, milk. Instructions: 1. Beat the eggs in a bowl and mix in chopped vegetables and a packet of seasoned pancake flour. Add a splash of milk and mix well. 3. Heat oil in a pan, scoop in the batter, and sprinkle with black sesame seeds. 4. Fry on low heat until cooked on both sides. Number 5, cabbage and carrot pancakes. Ingredients: cabbage, shredded, carrots grated, 1 egg, salt, pancake flour, water. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix shredded cabbage, grated carrots, 1 egg, salt, pancake flour, and a little water. Heat oil in a pan, form the mixture into a nest shape, and pour in the egg. 3. Cook on low heat until the egg is set and serve with a glass of milk. Number 3, banana omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 50-gram flour, 100 ml milk, banana, sliced. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix eggs, flour, and milk until smooth. 2. Heat oil in a pan, pour in the batter, and place banana slices on top. 3. Cover and cook until the bottom is set. Then flip to cook the other side. Ready to serve. These recipes are perfect for busy mornings and packed with nutrients to keep you and your family energized throughout the day. Enjoy!